Kweku Jesse. Ohini Yesu. Bringing time to 29 after 3. OfieKwanso Adom 106.3 FM. Good afternoon and welcome to Wednesday. Yes. The 8th of September 2021. The free Saberia kwa kopim 7 near the Caseba Brown. Ayo OfieKwanso. Etimani kwasunda ya. Na yenua nekro. What is it? September shase chance so see a eda toso nwotwini. Enti quickly ebi anawa botimu pose the Rich Choco National Essay Competition no do be shembi. And so we are later me pacho. Closing date for submission of entries no. 30th September bosumi we ya ne da etwato. Mr. Bebre. Into your be our upper primary, junior high, and now you're senior high students living in Ghana. Or preparing and capes don't wish us I say competition. Do it now. When you be bounce now 30th September number I feel yeah. Oh. I guess by now unim a day I expected from you. Oba Betro essay. Now what address the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources on the effect of illegal mining on cocoa farms. Now what stated the importance of cocoa to Ghanaians. Now your own handwriting. Now they are true. Yes. Now one ma Oshaso for and now say Wawo for and now class teacher I endorse it. Now the 10 empty packs of rich choco 20 grams ashim and now 1 empty pack of 500 gram rich choco and now 1 empty pack of 1 kg rich choco. Now they ashim. Now for what I drop it. Ewo miaya ediswe Accra Central Post Office, Adenta Post Office, Achimota Post Office, Melcom Outlet ewa Accra Central, Adabraka, Melcom Plaza ewa North Industrial Area, Downsuma, Spinkters, Madina, Tema, Ashama, Achimota, Kissiman, East Legon, Abeka, Weja, Ashoman, Frafraha, and Afinya. I say as I saw you be our upper primary, junior high, and I say senior high. Closing date me the amount that 30th September 2021. We are chechemu question pachoko Cadbury Richoko on my Facebook and Instagram pages no. Obenya further details or terms and conditions apply. Me pacho join me on Facebook say see na ya ba bedin komo. And now no fear that crown I'm the two and him say nyame ya adom a na otwi me be twa ewiase nda okwa etu ho na why ahwe ye because one way here ade kitikiti bi na obi di asesa abrabo who say onam ho fine fear be crumbs na boy Ghana so the any will be quick to judge because wakonum we of course, school or anyone walk about now for bonnet. As no me can obi na assistant shebre. Oh, I'm so tramo. Me can grow who be that. But obi na pe bibia ye wo. Aye hu. Ya chi obi pa do the no ahye to mu akosie. Eh. Na da bi o enti who you nua bi say destroying lives are na aye den. E patro bra Facebook. With the bra Facebook and come on and kasa ho na ebeka story na e fa no de akere na wa hwe bi oh me ma ren fi se nyame adom Friday obasi ma chede ne de bebro and right hihye so and ma for bo homoden ane ade a yenya winners e ma ren free say you want over 100 chest freezers, microwave ovens, food processors, and plenty of Basima food products. Yeah, need na bet me idea. How much do you know about your Basima seal on food products? Do you know the 18 essential vitamins and minerals? I want Basima food simwana. Can you mention some of the products? I want Basima seal on the market currently and every Tuesday and Friday beyond Akonya no at Temwari Kopim the 25th of September 2021. You call in and answer a few questions about Basima. Na chede bibre am bobo swe. What's inside the coffee? What are you waiting for? Look out for food with Basima seal. And then learn more about Basima. Now what timienya Akonya so betimi win be. Stay strong, stay healthy, and home command no. Facebook web now na me twen wo na for video no shisha so ne yanko anim yeah videos of our time coming out pretty soon. This is your own show OfieKwanso on Adom 106.3 FM. Medical dia to enim say no ten free sabe kopem say abebo enumre no nsia na ya so so ne de kase bo abrel. Debbie Atlas, I can't go higher grade fuels one sem chill. A fuel papa. Tried and tested, proven and accepted over the years. Now, Ubi Ajitum say a most suitable for all engine types. We use our superior qualities in our tone chain. Going higher grade fuels no. They are sound fortified with the XP3 additive. Multifunctional enhancer. I am more efficient, eco-friendly, now a ton at no extra cost. Your Goyle Super XP on 95 and a fake Goyle Diesel XP. You turn every Goyle fuel station BMO across the country, not just selected Goyle fuel stations. So go on and fill up with Goyle high grade fuel. Ajibebia, Goyle, good energy, Goyle, yeah, dim. right, so you're about to boy room near the videos of our time now, bros, is here. But before that, I guess you already know, say MTN Energy 25 years. Now, our brother Guswa has celebrated this huge milestone. We are giving away 25 Sonatas. Yes. Yeah, 2021, they know. Can't more de bruta. It's your crowd teams that can't home. Any idea. Where MTN are 25 mega promo. Yeah, they bring person don't shame. They are very simple. Cause one casa net test net browser. Our brother use MTN app no, Pulse app no, and I feel momo no. Now what me again any point. Now tia ya on sweat me nya kan ba kwa twia ne ade. Ade say. If I try dial star 156 hash and begin your journey to win big only on MTN. Everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. And no and one no. Okay, young call Facebook now, young share Adofo Eshemu. Nothing and videos of our time, video I did media no young for Emre. Pastor Mario say first though on the demo first and pan the message news with the can. Could you ask some furniture works? On also say Ochia Obia. Now Becca Abenachi was hi Brad Jerry. Hi Becca. Douglas a child. Also listening to you live from Kumasi. Love you back, Douglas. Afe Yabua Roda. I say hello, Brad Jerry. Hello, Yabua Roda. Yeah, Quincy Love. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Please, I am first to Quincy. I'm out for messages that I feel not do. And I slow your first. We are brutal. DJ Uptown say good afternoon. I am watching you live from Bechem. Your child Bechem phone now. Andrew AJ say hallelujah. I feel now Lamle Agbe. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. And happy birthday, though, belated encore. Emma, cheers to my new age. Yes, it is good you are wishing yourself. I know. Apia Daniel said, Brad Jerry, good afternoon. And trust you doing well. I thank my maker for how far he has brought me. Good one. Afe Akosua Success. Also listening to you live from the C7. I guess that's Community 7 you're talking about. Okay. Akosua Nimada say hello, Brad Jerry. Good afternoon. I really like your color. This Akosua Anima inside Tama New Town. Yo. Akosua. Vivia be fine. Naomi na Mele Tete. I say Jerry, say hello to Dorothy Tete. For me, yeah, Finya. Okay, Dorothy. Yes, I mean hello to you too. Hello, Dorothy Tete. Eddie Philippi. I say Jerry, watching you live from Zurich, Switzerland. I Chechamunina. I feel Aviti Esinam. I say I'm enjoying the show, rough. Thank God it's midweek. Yes, that's good. Pepra Alice, hello Jerry. Good afternoon. Many fish room nearby. Apia Daniel also said, glory be unto his name. I feel trust me. Could you ask some furniture works, Joe? I can't do it. Janet, Poha. On also the other tomorrow. Good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Welcome to Wednesday. And then your queen will be more. Bless K. Elon Azat. Also, Chairman Jerry Neo. Good day. Yo. Udem. Young boy. Also, greetings from our SCC. You looking handsome. Medasminia. Afe Esther. Bodogbe. I also say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. Please wish Mama Akosua of Fabia a happy birthday in advance. Oh yeah, Juma Global Curtains Decor. It was Pinterest Road. Afe Obapa Fia, I'll say hi, Jerry. Adom, Dankwa Lekwa. I'll say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. You are loud and clear inside our shaman. And our shaman for more to say. Kwa wudi use idea. If fear nipa. I'll say hi, Jerry. Mercy Bondi say hallelujah. So fire Mensa, I see you dancing and clapping. And I'll say Joel, your boy. Honestly, I say, Jerry, good afternoon. I miss you. I'm inside Universal Microfinance Limited, Gawe. Shout going out to Deborah Agbota. Yeah, trust me, anymore. Benjero GH. I say hello, Jerry. Abigail Edu Otutua. I say hi, Jerry. Good afternoon to you. And I feel so. Kriya Fosia Adora. I say good afternoon, Jerry. Aqua Andrew say I am here. Julius Nana Cheche. Your mama kai Jerry Cheche Modi. I say good afternoon, Brad Jerry. The can also there. And your lovely listeners, okay. Lovely listeners now that was it. I was trying you better also. Now you find videos of our time. But a Yanijam Upima drink on Sanyan Kaya, Mount San Canisi, and the Tuso. Now you're quiet, forward ever, backwards never. You need to be brave, you need to be confident, be determined, but most of all, be joyful. Treat yourself with Puma drinks. Papa. What do I say? Give yourself a good treat with Puma drinks. The more the year, say a cooler and I say a orange. It's a whole new vibe. 1 CD, 50 pesos per now chrono. They are available on major distribution and then wholesale points across the country. Open the one for Casa Preco Company Limited. 0262 351 251. And Kratui FDA Mushimuaja to say, Imuye, now or how be anyhow. Sape Pepe and I share it here. Quite timid and unbobby. And you're my poacher. Me patron on by Facebook brand beche wani so ade Ketsi Aquatap water purification tablet a self-dissolving tablet what the two nsuo mu ana no ahu agum eti yare bia won nsuo mu ebetuni nase emmoa bia yemfa yani hu wo mom kofa yade a yenya fi nsuo mu ban ekom nyina me tre microorganisms ahodo e wo nsuo mu a wọ́n betimi amoanya waterborne diseases no it kills them all. Sanso ne wo akota food safe e wo ho. Wako chroma akota fruits and vegetables they abefie no. Use akota water and I say akota food safe be never e wash mu nyina. Emfa ordinary water and wash it. Sabe abetimi akum germs ne bacteria ne ade wo ho nyina na aye kama e de ama wo. FDA I mu hwemu agya to say yeah. Pharmacy shops, chemical shops, supermarkets, how do you move in your on crying out per door phrase 020 9077726. Kumasi phone phrase 050 169 4275. Kofudia phone some phrase 0244 593 381. And watching us the young farmer food lovers rice and more dead. If I try any rice meal be or prepare piano. Say a fried rice, jollof, wachi. If you a rice or takra, if I try food lovers rice. And on a papa pan a bit me ambo. You know what I'm saying? Very easy to cook and it tastes great in every grain. Food lovers rice are available at our market baby. Food lovers rice made for better eating experience. And my queer diamond, your boy room now yet the videos of our time. Abril. Yes, you saw near to meeting same near who agree. Betia, yes, oh, Ubia Bibi, and I abonidia. Yes, you will be a baby no nipakuna can be a gunuso. And Adom. Yes, you will be the Obiako, Malambio, and answer, Chese, and some baby. Nibua yatia, and I be as a idea Obiakon baby. But a dear be one more. A ya pass over show be Nanka. A brabo in Kobakon anymore. But Oni obi anya issue kitwa bi mentime ho ase kakra bi abamuti. Oso this guy go show am. This girl make trend pa. Me na why me say obehu kwa me den be fa so. No nipa na ko hu odunsuni bi. Okohu malam bi. Okohu okonfo bi. Ene asofo bi kura mpokura ye bi. Oso okoye bibi de etie onipa akono. Obi timi kofa baabi ni akyekyere obi. Ya dane na koma. Utim so nipa yi anka ne tamfo pa ni otu chini kura so afere osore anu na na bokosu atafre. Adan ya o yakoye na agbala. Eti do nipa akono be kan no tie. Utim se man ya kwan onam so nye. Ne yire ne makura wajo mu asi nchen. Abusuafo onfi obi a. Esun sika na padiman ya na control no bibia de man yi be kan no tie. Utim se ade akoyi ye de enye. And so because the owner of the job no so my be this man no. Hey. Tim say wachichire adwuma ru anadwen. Eti do obeka bia no de be ye adwuma. Etu tim say ogu adwuma no. Enso so still what tight ade mu den. Wo de fo ba bi enye yie. What chese wachichire nadwen. Utim say man yi gay and compeno. Wohwe ne yire pa utim se obamu banie bibia tim se kama nanso sa small gay ya no se by force na busuafo nyina ka asofo nyina na be kasa man se da hwe nti amafo tenchom so hwe bia se kohwe good treatment bi again de mano ni ade masa baby wode na koma akohye no aginyame Achese sanyama we na koso owiase mu ne enso atimu yi o tina da bia ya meka no wan ye prayerful wan mo ani ana ho wan mo mpaye na wan kasa nka nkire urade se ontutu anamon si ye masa anhwe yi e be hadwen especially se wa wonim se wa ye bibia ti obi hwe me pa chew enkum nipa. Oh, I am sorry, please forgive me. It will not wipe away your glory. And you when just live at peace with people can go your way. Because any nipa na nanim ade ediche. Obi wa wetia na so kakra bi wanya hom na sepo. On fan chaw da. Odo ko fa baabi. Abrantie video ya ye ba be ya kire. The video has it that oni obi anya issue. Eno nipa akono akoye na duro ama ya kyekere ni sunsun e de akohye ade abim ai se boto ketuam enye de akohye nsuom ba bi nwuram tu ba bi o na we wan e be kokko hu ade no won yakoyi ni abreku no ai free edi according to the story Abrante no ofie all right enye se ono ankasa ne de na akohye nwuram o the physical being ankasa he is there. But the people around him now who said nothing, na bra bon koye. I said there, excuse my French, oh yeah, Jimmy be no nam wa. And so munim no, na yes ana brand tie. And they only can someone to be kuma no dia tunifa. Sa. Entu no mo ntia se no mo fa chire no mo ya no mo ko hu se obi na ya brand tie ne sa. E na malambi atimia lidium. E na mo ya nyankoma de na de na adaetium. To baby a ya kyekere abrante no sunsum e de akwa e wonsuo bi mu e no mo kanche ye niema ye me de ndem nimu no mo de sa na hwe sound no how play the sound omo akwa ne try so organization so no ateke no yad na you can hear the soul of the guy crying. I don't know how hey o de ma me fancy ye na e wi ase eden ye mo mpaye. Why? Near share who ye and I'm to Musi. Dimpacho video no ena eda Facebook no. Umba wa bra. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. Never share video no. Never too hufo. Sounds na ekoso no. Ni na video ni yi no. Na enso ye kire sound no nti enso utie radio na wote sound no e wo radio no so. Ti omo ye niam no mo kanche ni ade a bonsa fe di ice spirit mo osu. O de mo hwe video no
fadula Mamaru Makamula Mamaru Tajayula Wamare Sanaka Makranina Laramata Kolelina Makrana Weka Navala Kolelina Aweka Defense La Kolelina
Etidiana Mutisa say Obi Suachino Omuchra Akwana Yatishin Susu Akoshe Hono Ona Aya or Kabusano Ebedu Babu said what is Osua Malam no Lydia Adian original Sunmo or Nijarabi Anina or Shate Chenmu den the items and Nia Brepa. Udipa kon de ade no kosie no timi se timu ode mo mini padne pa because ade na ekam no na baby ade ne hye no utimi se malam no lidi ade ne branca sapa fifre kura epram no ade na ekam no enti malam na timi allocate ntinu se ode ahoma bi aso enti omo ejina ensuo ni chenchen no enso na ekita ahoma no mu no enti oya na omo twebat ade no so ayese force bi na ewa akire enti ono pese otwena ade no free ensuo no wo ba bi ehye no na ade no so esan etwe kommo tumi bi owi ase o enti ahoma no ene kura boys no ewo so no ene ono so ehye ensuo mu a o try I say on the kura kwa koshe ateche mu bi o enti on Lucas na omo ahya say ye dede because akwa na afi mala na nso o chi ade no say say de no hu na ahya teche no because baby adu no so the last film show no timi ni pie by force ade na wa ye pie no enti mo amo hwe on Facebook no e na wa ye pie no No. We are say ayewo. Emu sem bebre. Enti mo amotwa Facebook ne na eguso omde kono. Enti won yatu afi nwura mu a sesei won di kofi no mo akoto aso. Aya mamre wo na omo atimi a release no. Na chesa branche no. Why free atwa na braboso. Videos of our time here the brewa. Da no se video no a video a behwe ne asre ane ahwe ne asre ya release stress de besua bibia na esua de sese de hwe hu ya na hwe hu yi mumye hwe na motum ne nante mu yi the people we deal with because enye nipa nyina nenim jamenka enye nipa nyina nenim o nya hwe me de ache no na won so aya men ye hu titintin sa woye bibi na anko yi na no ko adwa amunum wo na apa ne chew na se boniface keke na to aso ko wanim because ye nyina anya koma kro ne kura yen na obi ansesa wo hyebre ni nyina mu nso no ye hwehwe nyame akira kwan we need to be strong spiritually man paibo ntimi yen dane da nyina nyame nka ho no hu yemobo abuso ya to aso akoyanim na enei de omu ne se wanya o HD TV bi ne ade no obomode anya HD plus decoder ne de ka ho a eboa ema program ko na wo hwe no utimi enya no in 5 times clearer, you know, and brighter picture quality. What I say, na bibia ko yie. Alternatively, say already or a Samsung UHD or QLED TV connected to a multi-TV satellite dish. Ubetimi download my HD Plus app no from the Samsung App Store. Now with me, I enjoy o TV viewing experience. Papa, just say no feel experience here that I can. Also, yes, I are Konakoto HD Plus decoder be from the nearest Electroland outlet, and now multi TV dealer be and chain. Every HD Plus decoder be able to be a cash so say, so to me activate no, or brow dial star 879 hash. Now I follow prompt no to unlock the HD channels as well as 2 free month subscription. What I say now after the free trial period no. SSL or dial star 879 hash. Now or subscribe for either 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months packages. No, oh, the OPBR. I no a year 7 cities, 25 cities, 60 cities, and then 210 cities respectively. Now we're chatum. Now existing users of multi TV decoders no. And when you say sign, I install a new satellite dish. Oduana no. What the boss wa not just when you na okron I just a bibia asset e the amount abusu ye ba be hwe asem a ye di tu ho fo na wie yi e wo OfieKwanso media so Adom 106.3 FM. In the meantime, Kel Kiss Charcoal Kel Kiss toothpaste no e fofora aba we no ya to e bo ase aron kama aye the amount mofra enti emfa empanifo no toothpaste no emma enkola ne mo fa ntwi omusen enye guy ya ye mo friend den kama ye the strawberry awo no nti tambia akra na omutwi omusen na omuti mi de sa ombetwi correct na bibia fine it protect your gum no prevent cavity na e mo sen very strong and healthy ban freshness and so they are any all day sigine mu ani FBI mu hwimu aja tum say ye nti nkola no from 2 to 6 years no ya no mo use Care Kids toothpaste e de atwi omusen. If it's Samara Company Limited, available. Our market baby Tibomodia now so mounsa and count there na bibia ebeko ye kama. Kel Kit was a happy smile. And no enkodan channel. Pan African Savings and Loans. You account for the amount. Nyame ya Adom on the 30th of September. And I attended promotion on moye and baby here. It will yanko take advantage now and they on more reduce you. Interest rate warm loans no so no to bet me take advantage now also with me abeje besia e de atre oshim akowanim ubehu ya sha kwan wo Greater Accra region, Eastern region, Central region, and Half region and Afia Ashanti region. So wo de friend na baby awo na yen direct to the nearest branch na wabane business 057 555 7777 that's 057 555 777. Choose Pan African. Choose greater strength. Na bibia so akoye e the amount. Dominion about powder, your number 1 immune booster. And also ena winya bia eboa yi ema immune system no ho yeden esan eboa normalize blood pressure na fe so no asan kra so aboa na heart and kidney related problems ahodo ni nyina so no etimi eye frio e the amount ye kan fo de amo bibia anopa bia obomode ape ba ko teaspoon ba ko de agu nsuom to hye just say mu yes adru an wanom enwume we repeat the same thing ahoton beba ama wa be hu changes e wo nipaduam se bibia akye e de amount open door for 0543 158 195 na 020 429 6449 na onsa aka dodo bi onye bia afi Angels Dominion Herbal Center for Enchim Dominion Herbal Powder or say on number 1 immune booster eno no afi Floral disposable handkerchief diet nasia your bon kaye say Floral disposable handkerchief no na adwuma ni nyina ne say the usual cloth handkerchief now the be share obotom no jai isa say no if you free to now the paper oh hitting now the paper obowa what the paper near there titem bia na say James ni na uguso the number bia on bia no enye guy enuti bomodin ase obe use Floral disposable handkerchief and the other paper ba ku wie na obomodin a clear what I say or disposing of camera said the bear or how be a match. Also look out for Floral toilet roll, Floral multi-purpose paper towels, Floral table napkins, as well as Floral box tissues in a shop near you. Na what me ede and also edi ujumedi bia udi na bibia akoye ede amount. A patron say open the door Fred Delta Paper Mill Limited 0243 033 033 that's 0243 033 033 dudu obi on here bia no onsa ebetimi aka ozu tie 106.3 FM na emrantie yi omo ye tough pa 3 wild boys pa a che se omo team se tema boys pa na enche ye bia enso a che kakra me don ba radio iso ye be vibe kakra rocker vibes na boys no say Master Samudi hey everybody yesu almost o catch them this year so man Samudi na ye nyom ebedi nkomo na omo achen 1 or 2 bi na fe yehu say de enema esitie na yakọ enim na wa unim say by this time here asset say esetimi ehwe na yetu ye hofo ewo OfieKwanso medie so we no yen say brekra real quick yinti asemu a yedi etu hon for sharp na fe we ni sapa ye ne ento aso na yen hwe sisi ekwan ben na nam so a omo ko mo animu yi na yakan no asem Right, so by Courtesy Phoenix Oil, DBS Industries, MTN, and I feel Doormaster and the Pubiman Paint Depot. Yeah, share and there are some ID to your home for a way of few consumer some patro and no a pre-shot main Kasahon Chebibre. I posted this some few hours ago on Instagram and Sana. Me babe share Jumedi Ase. Na me pese no some message na me no e chenene na ina yedi etu your home for. OfieKwanso medie so me patcho message is very simple or say hustle with caution. People are dying young because they don't want to die poor. A very simple message but or say hustle with caution and they will be actually they hustle they do this if you keep your hustle on but or say hustle with caution. The reason why now all kinds of say people are dying young because they don't want to die poor. And they will be as one person, obia person ye. Chale me that poverty cycle for my family. I be me where I will break up me. Obia person ye. So people are doing whatever it takes just to be rich, just to enrich themselves. And as a result of that, people are dying very young. And they what a shock no crowd they say they a chum because they say no HB will be we are say only what a shock was on here because I say people are just dying like that. And it's all because Obia say on pese obewu oni him. Entieni ya kwan bi obefa so bia na watimi anya sika dia to no or fa so na no so na di owo mpofrimu mpatuo ebe. Yes, we all need to hustle. We need to move on. But we should do that with all carefulness. I say am yeni da ho. Abrabon yimikatu obi dia bena minua wo dia be bochna. You say the journey of 1,000 miles just one step near the chassis. Un fiti preocupe na un 10 steps no do anim debi. One step at a time. And ye de yen kakran ye de koyenim. Men pepre ho panifo ne kan ye say un fiti preocupe pause ya moja eneba. Hustle with caution. People are dying young because they don't want to die poor. And that's the way they do your for no. As that any of my proud sponsors. Phoenix Oil, Bossu Oil, papa. When you be good my engine na come turn yomboko. Particles about engine muna and then oil na cleaning. It protects the engine na a coolie engine at the same time. They are available in petrol and then diesel variants. Price also there at that phone boko. Open the door for 0544 343 674 and after 0544 338 240. Phoenix Oil, Bossu Oil, DBS Industries, and so MIM. A losing trusses. Would good dinosaur. Boko or how be any better than the wooden trusses now the big guswa and we bit me a bit me a pro and can bit me a read ya 2 more beshini at the what I say. We should there. Oh, yeah, said the tears and it light in weight come and do good dance one sounding chance in our boss. Rachel around the spring test would do so and chibi and would do Papaya restaurant. Obit me a phrase 0240 844 444. Everybody site crying about the free estimate amount. Kumasi phone phrase 050 600 4141. Nata credit for phrase 050 600 4242. As they do your Encoma MTN. And they or the SME Plus ABBA. We are good news for small to medium scale business owners. It's as a SME Plus no eboa manage all your operational costs in communication. Na amo akwenya no am waiting me choose from affordable packages. Now I enjoy talk time, SMS data, and our favorite business content all bundled in one subscription. Exciting news net is a unya free on net calls every Monday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. When you just one patch or dial star 5060 hash, next sign up and equally bit me out free and I was send a WhatsApp message their phone number with so 0244 308 111. We have more information or then you stay connected everywhere you go. I feel Doormaster and Pobima Paint Depot and also say Branabe enjoy 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Now, you endorse no range from exterior steel security doors to internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors to armor doors, bathroom doors to wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, glass doors, flash doors, doors BABO. Price also edda from power. And about painter from where you partner with News Paint. Yeah, nay, yeah, they paint now, pay later, and she yaba. Yeah, ni say schools, churches, hospitals, individuals, offices, government institutions, real estate developers. Momeji paint. Muhia and their painting facilities are hold on. Oh, now I'm on paint. Now I'm spread this kind of mum. Now I'm to and crack bra yen for interest bia and come on. And they'll be PM now showing big mix machine now. It means mix it over 10,000 colors, delivering with precision your color preference. Fraying 0542 745 222 and now 050 021 2447. Obey at Shakwan, Accra Kumasi Highway. So your Pubiman to booth was, so Jina Pubiman to booth wa. When it ya, yen shop noon. Nebra, na yen your business. Yeah, we only say ye then I just a Watson, let's do something now. Sure. Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Me tell her, yo. When the boy come roll like this day fire vibe, we no can't feel joke up. All of them see I trace him. Adom FM can't feel joke any money. Rasta lam, clapping at the street and salam. The man on the ghetto you dance up. Me na robe and saya installator. Oh I know, yeah, me salator. I can show them me right up. Road dance all up, pitch right up. Me na when I get to your ear assist.
We be the fire bar. We be the fire bar. We the fire bar. We be the fire. We the fire bar. We bring the fire. We be the fire bar. We bring.
Oh, tell them OfieKwanso.
Let's go.
We bring the fire every time. Listen, we bring the fire.
Fire.
Them know the fire vibes on them kaya. Them know Adom FM we have to mash up. Yo, Adom FM mash up. Everybody knows how we fire vibes stepping on the yard. Them know how we kings. Everybody knows how we bad at them. Them know the fire.
We bad.
Them.
We bad. Oh yeah, we bad. We bad. We
better than bad.
We bad. We bad.
You don't know, you know, this is the fire, but we don't can't feel joke. You don't know, you know. You don't can't feel joke. You know.
Hey, someone me too ni. Okay, my mama kwa ba mo to say. Na Moses say afra mo say.
The fire vibes.
Hey. Beba, the fire vibes.
Yeah. You're releasing Doom Cry, my people.
People.
My people.
Mo nyom ba ku bi mo old one ba ku bi no.
My money no.
My money no. Mama me no instrumentation. Mama me freestyle kakra. My money e dey your there. Mama me no kakra na to aso.
I get my money, yo.
I get my money, yo. I get my money, yo.
I
get my money, yo. I get my money, yo. Down no, you know.
It is a say, Edino, the fire vibes. Okay, then my son was say, Divina Modena. Just say, Mary Brandon. Is our own, and your manager, okay, you good. Country band, I saw you guys, Mukoya interview or country be Uganda. Now, about saying, and I'm copy more Uganda.
The freestyle now.
Yeah. Near trend first.
I saw more freestyle now, more the internet so no.
Trendy.
And Uganda radio station be famous on person on more interview.
So why?
Who see a sale, who see a mash up, who say they buy. I say she and they
But all guy first night we share one year boo baby.
Yeah.
They ask Kata baby.
But I'm saying share crowd. Number ages no Satan. Say what design?
Me medit.
Say what 12 years.
Meditate.
And I said what 13 I was wedding 14. So 12, 13, 14. And I'm on this. And I'm more say places near there. And you go pay Uganda net is not feeling it is oh.
Good mind.
Okay, so now the fire vibes. Wait, how are you people combining school and the music? No.
You go, fancy.
Your time, we recording your time at the co studio and your time the co school
so what am I say
example na new school bi o hwe
when your new school
I finished Stephen Anglican
yeah Osile
how can I old school
yeah cause I do
they say no more side to boys we all right enti musoma ye nwom fofo Monyum fofo na amaye no what does it talk about nwom eka
oh your fans for no yeah my fans for no
mo ye nwom no ma mo fans
na first na base 5 ya to sign na base 500,000 something
and I see yenye njumo mu so what am I say
so all my people there yeah all my people there yeah all my people there yeah
boys, you are Montio. Oh, Tama boys. Charlie. Omonti, we're more yet at the Mamo fans.
yeah
Okay, you bet so is it already out there amount for PB on all platforms?
Facebook, Instagram, baby, move some.
More there. I'm on vibing with studio and easy 12, 13, 14 years old and Panito to say almost our studio okay, so now that if I say married brand deal new name near there the fire vibes near modern for bar more they appreciate him fans near there a dear biemuna yen share nimu crime from you guys a num to him.
I said, exchange dinner, but oh, now rocker vibes, no, now I be endy. I endy you, but the fire vibes, no, yeah, starting new one. I am
the fire. So what was it? The fire vibes.
The deal standing, standing for dangerous.
When I fire.
So what am I say?
Vibes. Your mom dangerous fire vibes.
Mususu vibe mo. Vibe me. Mummy entie my people. The new one now mo dey aba no. Why? Mummy entie na to us.
Coming like a lion, black 2-1 just like an iron, black 2-1 just like an iron. Talking from one corner, walking on the street, I am in one. Hey, Mutia, same way. Walking on the street, I am in one. On the street, me no fear defeat. No surround and no retreat. Me not this like beat as we. I better if I do good. Many people show you gratitude, making all the show altitude. Stay cool.
Shot when I'm rolling to the informer. Them face so quiet but the inside black. You mess up it as on a face gunshot. Yeah man, I told them say I be the master, right? Everybody know I be the faster, right? I am the king of the raga, right? Just as the motion. You know we men go. You know we men go. You know we men go. We just up the bad man. You know we men go.
Just and all your people there around. Oh, okay. More share on Facebook no the video of the song no na and also Adom. Na guy on my video. Hey, my people.
My people.
Enti say call all the platforms now. Unya keen the fire vibes. My people. Ubenya sa new way. The fire no just
YouTube.
Yeah.
D no the some.
D na apostrophe fire abetwaso.
Now the vibes in the VYBEZ.
Okay, so VYBEZ. Okay. The fire vibes. Okay. And now that my way for more people na we know e dey be neighbor.
And school.
More by you about school.
Yeah. Any I said respect your mother and
respect your parents.
Okay. All right. So then as I say mo be catch o manfo a ATM Ghana for fire the fire vibes na Ghana for enhwe anim kwa efrim especially mo yen kola say na mo de mo ho ahye nyum tuemu na fe adan kola nso a almost so shame almost because of Muti Grumbles on the coast, and they are foot on our mom.
Yeah, the mom will say, Munko school. Following, the fire vibes, YouTube, Instagram, everywhere down. The fire
social media network.
Yeah, man, the fire vibes. Saba BM, for bar.
Ma say more part of a labor masquerade society or come to phone more money or money there. Now, but I am on time nantem. Mostly one time nantem. Oh, wow, my mother is a more the determined amuda.
Yeah, that way 8.
Yeah, with the over. Yes, I'm on nantem, and I do not know now town. More than Abba Busa there. Mutu was why. Mutu was the Bibia Bear Frank, a crack. Why? It's in Moyamo. Now, I do back a hard dream is say. Moyo group na moye ade fefefe si afia be kakra na to kwasem ne ade na montemo atete no mo make sure
record e be set record
wo de montra o se munyi kakra na moye ina moye me head me bia Charlie the fire vibes said that must some best line we why moye mo na mo de foforo bia ba we do for you. So I say all the time. Why? It's if there's any message you want to say, more can you do chat? Someone the best freestyle, more find freestyle, and then find check it out. Why?
Hey, all my people, tell me say, all my people, tell me say, you know me men kwa, all my people down, right? All my people down, right? All my people down, right? You know me men. All my people down, right? All my people down, right? All my people down, right?
Yo, you don't know, This is the fire vibe.
Yeah, man.
You can't fit joke. You don't know everything.
Dancer. A real dancer thing. We have to show them, say the fire vibes. You have to break all of them in a wood. You know, say dancer thing.
Tell them, give me.
And Kobe Justice.
If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisamo Nafili. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Honey. It's office sa unkuana when him aqua taps food safe and salad ni nuaba udini de piano. Aqua Aquatap full safe. And I'm a door. I send a radio.
Almost sounds so Aquatap's water purification tablets. Omwa, Omode Ebulu Munsio, Efomunsio, Surunsio, any sia, and one tea, Edia Wanda Dedum, Emfa or Haubia Embre. Osanko, they use my pomudinsu in here yepa. And on Tinamato Aquatap surface disinfectant. Yet made the paper surfaces beer, Emma and Wote. Nonti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. And if you feel Aquatap's Abama Mose, Ebejing, it will form for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi, and 020-907-7726 Accra, and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores, and supermarkets. FDA Aji Ejedi Nkratui Atum.
Great, and we are back. Ebra son say Yene says Scott Nase na day around the world in 5 minutes at Twaso. Siwawa. Siwawa. Sewawa. Scott Brajery. Mini akwaba.
You're revenue.
A bomb to say.
Nyamiadum, Nampacho way.
Nyamiadum tea, Miss Mehoya Pa.
Yamiasi.
Mehoya Pa.
And then we menya chiche. Say, Bibia, meet me.
So,
meet me, I reggae. Meet me, I dance. Believe me.
Okay.
Yeah. And I know what's I.
You know, I'm on fire, you know. You know, the fire can't cool. You know?
you understand. Today, we're not going to do this program in part. Why? You understand?
Really?
Make you drop some beat for me. Make I tell Ghanaians what we can do.
Oh.
For part why inside. Because I get hope right now.
Nah, just give me a freestyle. Just a little freestyle, you know.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm Mareka Veshona Matias here.
Hold on.
What I can
Okay. Take it from the top.
Let me take it from the top.
Come on.
I'm Mareka Veshona Matias here. What I can discover to near right. Holy ba. Anyway, Bradery, can I tell you something?
Go on, bro.
Traveling with your toothbrush is the first sign of poverty.
Traveling with your toothbrush
is a first sign of poverty.
Oh, how?
I'm telling you.
So we took an hour for toothbrush.
Brache, we almost can almost tough for. What you do to this is research, not an argument.
Okay, Pacho.
It is who they will brush to. That is the first sign of poverty. That's the first sign of poverty. I shock you, but we are there. But rather, Matisa, you say security forms number. Motor, police, immigration,
yeah.
Without any protocol. Bradley, believe me, they are indirectly contributing to the National Cathedral. Some forms near 100 cities. Oh, some forms near 100 cities. It is done. It's me pacho. Wa to be a contribute. Yadasi. Me na me fides no match.
You a good view. Because you are
nan compare unse what de deacon nti me no kasa bible mu a me ni je ho abrante bi trans ye friend Jacob yesi owo oware mienu one ne yere nom nan kasa enya 8 children ena ne yere no maid fo no so no one omo we nti na o ma 12 bragery. What I'm saying is we should respect the Bible. Men will understand me. If one man, I will yiri mienu, esa wo ayi But let's respect the Bible. Say, let's respect the message in the Bible.
Okay.
Yes, let's respect the message in the Bible. Brother, there is a company between a woman's legs, in between the legs of a woman.
A company. And what's the name of that company?
I'm coming.
Okay.
There is a company in between the legs of a woman, whereby when a man applies for a job, the man end up paying her employer.
Instead of the employer paying you,
the man end up paying the employer. I'm not going to explain. They will understand.
Yes.
So what is it?
Yes.
Drop it. I know what you. Zimbabwe first me ma won krabraje. Was it jina we feed you?
Madam be catch him say onya akwanya to come back to this life again after she's gone now. Obesri nyame say still a omanamra oba.
Sound. Yes, because only benefit a woman. Hey, obi otimi bleeding for 7 days abira wongu. Me didn't want grow. Brother, Zimbabwe first jina we feed you kesi so. Na ka kire ne man for say. Ni titiri ne government workers. Says almost one COVID-19 vaccine is a 1 GB. And yeah, Ejuma we and resigning. Government worker be a was in
we are Benjumana on vaccine.
Resign.
Okay.
Because they be in person mobile. Into normal the Sako Koboy Abba. And they Tanzania for also secure $600 million every IMF for
when they kwa ye
and not dear say ja we say COVID-19 into normal de kwa ye obi bisa say IMF near den International Monetary Fund me pacho no
yeah
opekura okọ omukuro ni mu a religious activities esum mopa India and they restricted sa religious activities ni bebre measure babrai it's answer COVID-19 third wave no as na page anymore India Brajeri membre ne ko medibesia
good
Brajeri hwe unim say be serious. How can you wear an Arsenal jersey to evangelism? Jamal nye serious so be win souls. Oh, evangelism wash Arsenal jersey. Yeah, the win souls man. It can't be possible. It can't be
Arsenal for numbers.
No, it can't be possible. It can't be possible. Rajeri, what can be pain? Yes, follow your dreams, Anna. Madam forbid the assembly to many. Or say Nadam for be say de bian own follow ni dream. Na de bian so obe so da ye biano na Nadam for no catch so own follow ni dream na girlfriend na o dream fa na ho. It will be some say own follow dream na say one person na me say me ba two anim. It is here come na nte. Own follow dream na one person.
Oh bona be do na me ni obi oh.
Mom so any unya. Why the video on pen ho asem ti we yi ano. De bia meka na mesian ka bi embrajeri. Real men don't ask for nude pictures from ladies. Real men don't ask for nude pictures from ladies. They put the lady on the bed and they take it themselves. Midi at the sales court. Midi at the sales court. What watch more that you feel could be KJP? Nature say what can
no way
French di catch us chevel
capel.
Just a brother. What a tata den crana.
Won't be nyabo. Abuja, that was sales court with around the world in 5 minutes. And now or the ebre it here we say the natural say you buesim na ye de irrigated sports abrel. What you say? Won't you say kura beti say? Actually, ewo agunankum. Ose enchia sonko enko ema chief inspector Anakwa Police Training Depot Accra. And happy birthday, though belated, Enkoma Evans now of True Love Assemblies of God, Ashiye from Clement Osei. Well, so I say Jerry, my third daughter, my third daughter, Beverly, Eddie, 18 years and right. Eti me wish happy birthday, though belated. We Effie Evelino, the Unbreakable, of Strasbourg, our France, and now Ode Emma, my third daughter, Beverly, who is 18 years old. Enjoy your 18th anniversary, dear. And then a happy birthday, though belated, Uncle Emma Money Fresh or Odoko and Ranaldi 24. Wishing you God's blessings, wisdom, good health, and prosperity from Starboy Manuel. Who do it, dear? Yeah, me do. Yeah. Jerry, thank God for bringing you back from that trip. The September month, no. It will soon be my birthday, and you will definitely hear from me. Hope when I invite you, you'll be able to come. Asantua Mantipimpo, and Yenya Medden Wati, BBR Bear fine. I'm sure I get a trust, but before that, I'll say glorious birthday going out to Noko Dromo Douna of Fountainhead Christian School, Class 5B, Sakumono. Wishing her a blessed birthday from Annabelle Amponsa. 1824 Kasa na yankoye nim.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. A papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Bless you too, boss. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. Na debia miti irrigated sports. There's no day minti irrigated because miti manage na me stress
Obesre. Over
the open program one dedication fast sports one tie irrigated sports Adom 106.3 FM. The famous John.
Good. Mayor Akwaba.
Yani akwaku
na emponu to say
oh radiadum ho ye na wonso
Adom ni ti meso ye pa
ye the radiasi na kwaku watch me dey say
ba me makwam na akwaba
ai sengo ona ba be chi ona ba ba kam ya
nim de ko meso ye kra
na obi a ye yesu na say ye ti studio et say Adom FM ye yesu o pese o ye nti say dey out ye fence ye yesu I say follow your friend there something called pattern so you follow the pattern you follow the analogy and everything you don't just
we analogy
analogy you don't know analogy you follow it accordingly
you follow the
analogy then you find it
then I'm fine
analogy
Govodia, name we now we can know Govodia. Tonics Hotel. Tonics Hotel. Dr. Pons Afina
na mine there. Savano. It would be a good penny mass.
Dr. Pons,
Danyamiase, said it Tibiano, or no one a day qua no Sunday abba. No credit, and then so no young Cosandana see. But Bibia did not go anywhere. Hey. Madiana, Cogasa meant to make you.
Oh, Tonka,
I may say your pump. Hello, Trama boys.
Otonka.
Hello, Trama boys.
Me, I may say your phone.
What I want to be
as a money I choose to be sad. I feel you mete. Kokuna, Ansana, maybe a pronoun. And some for being here, Kokuasa make a pie, Dika. And Yedika, Mamenchia, prophet. Emmanuel, there be Samuel, Kwabna Crapper, Fire Life Chapel. Opening me show and you teacher Fire Chapel for Fire Life Chapel International, Ubia 80, Chemota Post Office Market, one our first last floor, Honayana de Bia, I cannot say Jim and you may be boom. Na Kwaku, so Africa, so ba broadcasting. But if everybody will see a dime, Mr. Ghana, is it? Ghana High Authority and I say Ebanus. Someone in charge of kind of so Miss Remo, the Yamidi Pamachone, the Missa Atomis and Pamachose. O see a die honor, maybe a insured to and young timber fano. Owing a corner more time, you know, an accident air cost honor. Owing, TTT, and Casama, or be any TTT. May own. Edu baby, I am not. Sanima we know a bacon canano. You know, sometimes Timiko and Ruby to me a frost. Oh, Jerry, I am Monka says, I am just tired. You see, this shows how serious we are as a country. Yeah. As some way, okay. How many years now our problem with Emo? Baby, I say, in soon try not slide down by the Google. A quan can say and can quan okay. And yet, Sardiana slide about now, and I say, why not? I be saying, yes, a quan spend this at the Iano. Yet now, as a country, Sama, and sure to an Sonia Begu as I'm a honey now say. And we see it every day. And Penifo Krumwa, Omfa Central Region, but the BR, they see it, and nothing is being done about it. It's serious.
And you do a piano in person, make us a baby banana, so Mama, yeah, when I'm a slow but partner, a pipe, a car, do what you one typical example, let's say, we are not serious as a country. Okay? Tema, free zones, oh, branch Yakowa. Ya quite fair come out on my flower road, you so. You find say if you are flower side now, but now person branch the cofa. Ya baby, one more. You know, very nice. Ya you know come out. Yeah. No budi akofa. Yeah. And no money no more say ya obetimi asan founti. Ebia omo ko Afianya side and I say akoso both side no. Etimi ko try you because first na anka Greek corner traffic light no. Anka utimi cut direct. And I say on my say ube try you tell free zones for anymore now wako. Now on the two from our kind of years back and I'm the cable and normally we no kataso and I want to sink it home. I am not the horse several years. Share free zones, share companies tracks I can see they have to stop. No one chase him King Kong. No more pay. For the assassin brand doors. Who be trying to say now? Who be just him King Kong? Yeah. Who we now cause now say now? Say just him as one pay. And Penifoya Shesa, Obi, a honor make that small stretch. No, it will not take even more than just 10,000 cities to that place. But it has been there for years, and they see it every day. Telecom for school anyway. How many years now? And I may buy almost as to say I'm gonna go. A big one, so to a better wash your cycle. Problem, let's fix country, let's fix also down. So it means we are not serious. We are just not serious. How many years and you bet me they tackle just this a particular issue.
Just a week,
CNN, and there was something that dreamy. It happened in Japan. Assassin sinking home, baby, a crossroad, a quantity of 4, and a big buildings there. I didn't know. I didn't know sinking home. Caption CNN for the man. Say. How fast now? I don't know. The same speed now. No, I don't know. I don't know. No more. I don't know. I hear road markings. Underground pipes and cables. Everything fixed. A whole country. No problem. We are 7 years. We can't fix this. Are we serious? Let's drop this.
You basically can't say
Charlie, let's drop this.
Now, who say Enra made it to Jassa Ghana your materials? Now, I can't tell any papa or family man.
No credit.
No one will be two men cry. Now, 1 2 1 2 1 2 and your quakutia. A brand here, me team before Sucrodo and crowd the buying.
I don't come.
Oh, welcome, say.
You should now form an welcome. Obi. Oh, Obi na form any guitar. Form any guitar.
Samsung.
We had a uniform now. You never Obi
Samsung Papa B.
We had said, yeah.
From 14 my
yeah, Baba, what a tobo, you know.
Any Samsung Papa B. Any.
I am trying to where does it actually go to the time away? And there's some money away.
Who's a casual? There
is some money away. I don't follow. Kiss your chef for you.
Kiss it out now. I was saying, what a
hello, Bria.
Okay.
Sabanio. Bitio Adom FM. No, what I say. Ghana your materials be bring and can't tell Papa me one home to bring Jim na me yama. Bye bye.
I quit you money. Oh, that bring my mom.
Tell her me can I saw me can yes you so I telling you.
Is that on your money?
I go be 6 minutes to 6, you know. 6 minutes after 6, you know. So I'll be at 6 minutes after 6.
After 6.
6 minutes after 6, you know. On a green guitar and baby, I did green number, you know. What's in the 6 minutes after 6? And they are not green guitar, you know. Marjorie, they say, no. Blasters won a whole Uhuru.
Yeah.
But say Ghana for calm it down because me the permutation no at all. The Adibaba World Cup qualifiers no my calculations no.
Okay.
Ama say your home baby anya be still now no qualification F4.
Oh yeah sure.
Oh F4. My calculation is simple. And in fact mediato you the better Facebook says here. Okay. In fact a serious calculation am I no. On mathematics as here, you won't understand it.
Okay.
18 but all the Facebook says here.
Yeah.
Na
bibiato.
Mediato is here.
Analogy no.
Yeah, analogy. Say na I know you na me bana. Odi ntiani si am pem be me rebe fi.
When analogy.
Akrabi is on go to biko ni para. Odi aye
no na biko para.
Biko ni para. O me se ne pen na ese. Eti Jerry.
Okay, eti pacho momra Facebook.
Now the kind of
Alex Obina story.
Yes.
Okuman kra. Ne analogy no.
Yes.
Odi me hu se Ethiopia draw with Zimbabwe and Ghana score SA
South Africa
at home and score Zimbabwe at home
and away
and draw with Ethiopia on away and SA draw with Ethiopia, then Ghana will qualify. This is your
analogy.
They are brand here, they are two. One boy is not a bet.
Jayo huni yedi.
But we are there. Eti for mom na Facebook na mom hwe.
We simple
idea na to no.
Enye bi afeni ye hona ye qualify ne.
Kobi nti we us no say na wo mu.
Okay, Kobi me ba wo de ansan obekọ us no. The woman say with this.
Yeah.
Any players here we. Any performance.
Any your coach we.
And
I know this is
say one timid in the truck can say ya na one oji a fa near kwa enti modern bo papa ben pa na
when we got to the river we know how to cross.
I was analogy for
another masa unim say
you simple oh we know we simple calculation.
Okay
say Ethiopia a draw with Zimbabwe. Akwenya no. Say Ethiopia they can draw with Zimbabwe. Na Ghana, South Africa ya ko no say it's your baha ya 3 points da dakam. Utini. Na fei ya say ashe Zimbabwe they born home and away on the good job 6 points. It's 3 plus 6 no 9.
Okay.
Zimbabwe they born home and away. What you say? It is our time na fei ya sa train say Ethiopia no o de anya hwekura no
enti aden na Ghana de tambia say a tournament say qualifying series so say me bibia je say ye permutation we ye kwe say na we fast we aden na ye yire ho mo preko ne
ko permutation e wono ye ye nyan start matches no kra betimi aye say pese ye qualify okay ye nko South Africa ho ye ko no share ya no mbani ye shewo mani ye she Ethiopia she Zimbabwe me kwa akobo draw shewo ma ya qualify ade no ha ndi ya ba ba ku be lusi ne be ye say ye nya mo ye be ya ni nyina ye si wo de so afuru bia no na be so si fom no
by the way ade be ne koso no de ne koso ukro no ye be shire
wo kan say
da so ho
sa permutation ya wa ye wo kan say me say with this coach yi
there be so be some say your border players you know say the same coach is in the so the coach no so count when you need free
we the free way
because he can go to you free man yi
now has for me 3 year so what you want them no from the comes out for no they say a calf say Guinea Mranti na kwaji kuro na boso nti has won timi ntu kwanko o airport no matum nti say nkrofo no mra ha ye bono ba kope
sa
bono ba kope
okay
nya de se bia
na se calf for agia to say ade de wom ne say say eba yesi brofo bi the force majeure force majeure no obi mami breaking it down ma let's say bibi be boma
can your friends say force majeure
mami breaking
we are
force majeure
who control the ara
so we breaking it down we don't go kakanga wana we are
mani si ya na waso ya bu ya yanko
so enti na say em free away team no enyo no na aka so one ball
yeah
when we home team no and as our force majeure bro for na be show
amount no
they say calf no e wo kwan say obi take decision enti ka calf ebetimi aka say has enya walk over and ye one obetimi so asan aka say we mo be bo home na we ni nyina wo krom ha eye ginifo no ebia obeti so Accra Sports Stadium no what you Cape Coast Sports Stadium o baba be ball there o ebia Cape Coast Sports Stadium na has no so abone there e wo bibia ono bone there announce say calf no be gia tum say mumienu no ye ka kire mo say match no mo born once per instead of home and away no mo born once per na mo dey say whisker enti we
ye no ba ko na dia service
ye born ba ko per dia ma hasofo
se say dia ya no
but dey hu ni say eno nye ade a airful because dia so ye hu ni say ya onim say house go bo friendly match
Togo
krokra ye shen one we no wo be lusi sa game we bia we wi o we free man no
na we so 90 minutes na so ye bo atopreko penalty shootout na eba
say 90 minutes na so na obi anse bia ene ye bo za penalty no na duru na nkofo na se house one na ye mo penalty
acha se de kosi ya no
na se de kosi ya
na ade na ehu enye better sa
obo se na ase ono body a what has story what do boss no
the woman in answer has for one or some woman. Kwakuyen share picture why Jeko Fatus Mammy. Make a house for me. Omo money has for money. Now, I grown yados. I grown yados. So, the Infonia or the two way. Minim say, Omoko share Assemblies of God for. Sansona boys been out to them, no copy ho. Sansona say, a school for being a program be no, Mrs. Omukaka copy ho. And she would share Facebook. Cap no moji FA cap no ene le cap no mienu nyina na so hu ya hwefo na atie for mo de mo na mehe ene o mo de asi table isu yi na menu e de biase
na hefa no
se has de jerry
o se hefa
has de
has for na de
ena me se hefa no
minim dia ko mo pidi ya ne ko
has de timba ko a chese omo no e se wonder glove na Olympics year flow Eji we say omo ton ana
na omo rubber bag dem say polythene bag black him the shakoy
di omo ye no omo
sase
omo ma dia jo ko me bo abe
na me ba o bana na ese ani mo no e dey na atro so e bitters bi ayi ana say e dey
ma me heni
muzumi na
me heni ayi Akwana eduna eyidende eduna akwabi to eyidende edubi ne lebu ni say ya that here
remember den edubi
ne lebu ni say ya that here
edeni
anti monye le krada kranka mbese
nukru ni enya homeka
club Ghana champions Alcobo champions
edua na esi on kra anke oak tree kra anke had by
edua tree na senso no dia ko
si FA Cup agi Premier League Cup e dia besi dia asise
na me onim dia ha me
na dia se wa dia se so to na do na won nyina ba pepa
polythene bag no polythene bag no di
share medals e de ma wo medals na kwa bi na di ko dware ya o ma ye hu se sa medals no enya you when so gu hu pe no
aja se popo
o be create confusion enya kura
na bita
asagasa nso omo ni management like onse omo sheda ni management team
bi ni ho
said the idea teams we management member we management chairman we see you has omo ni see you sir omo togbe na na ni bibia nana decide say yemfa nko a
we me
yemfa good ya sia
we no obesam chese ifina na ho
nana nkada
na crew on one fear na nesi
nana nesi
na si omo de ko chere na omo nya ho
una sa de shi o de mo
no ene mame kokotoko
even if omo person come ye we kura na wo de fan say edua na esi o mi hu ni ye ndi wo de ye fan say eye omo oak tree no kura na on person omo di ko siasia wo de me ba
o minimum ho
wo de tiu kwa ye kwa nei wo de nke no kura na anka omo nsiesie ho na nka enye kama kakra so na say ye na hwe teachers che bi esi
who say yo Ellen safu Ellen no yo safu Ellen
me ba cho mo betimi azum no
critically
mo betimi azum no mo zumi teachers chair na esi wo na yenhwe ayi na ya trogu no hwe say eyerefo who say ya label chair na no mo zumi na hwe say edin be na wo esa chair no ho na enya sanso a yemisa Kwame hwe se bia obe ho idea Kwame
bilia
na we no hefa na modi ade ekosi yi
ya na so na wo kan na table na situ na
just all together combined
but so problem pa mo wo ho ne dia wa
se eti Kwame wa wo hwe edua ya sesati chese cap anyonyam hye kama ma wini dia kosi baby sei Kwame nti esere utrim
Ghana dia mu ni mu enua ho mfa so tira mu ni agu mu ni mu dia ho mfa so mu ni serene environment
environment
mu ni serene environment
enya serene environment enya serene
we serene
Ghana serene environment Kwame obo dia serene environment
ya ka serene
na o ka serene edi serene na uguzu
House of Folk every day.
Okay, Kwame, enti o de man about the cry. If you know the band saying,
after me say, come back to my na show some the idea ever now. Baby, over Jimmy, so one of the idea better now.
Yeah.
It is say no problem pay with me away.
It will one of the coach you know.
One friend of Ramonia, Cartino. A man for someone to mean zoom in. More for money from one who is a money among country, the money be a one country. You walk me chrome crasino. Now, LA school, your cock be a bogala, area holding us for Casamas from us. Now, baby, a trophy is table say, oh, now, Auntie Ancient Catio.
I said, yeah, inter schools be no.
Kokosifa na wese amudro ra
they said the own rainbow colors in the pool rainbow na hu ho na green asabe kan enye ni kan kura
enye momfra kwa memra no metu
enye homka
aha waba
Kwame
obani
na wo chire mo se e ba ne sen
obi brofo to nche me yan the reality
okay yeah share reality
ya bo from ọtí wo ṣe sí ẹ onyàrá náà kàkọtọkọ náà díẹ̀ káàfù náà ẹnna ní tíìmù náà ẹnyà adìẹ ọmọ bí sika di ẹbọ olùmọ àká kẹkẹ ọmọ nǹkan tẹwù ẹnna yà á yìí ẹkọ ní adìẹ káàfù ẹnna yà fi adìẹ kyerẹ ètò tó kìsì bọ́ ọmọ kúrò ní adìẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́n ha ọ̀pá ẹ̀ wọ́n mu ẹni diẹ wọ̀nyí.
Kwame mímí ha ni sẹ ka table no ọhún ka mo ma hɔ no nyɛ fɛ kakra mo ndrɛ ka mo ma ɛmɛ yɛ na yɛyɛ wɛ dɔm bɛ siesie ɛhɔ yi mo ma bi mɛ siesie nnua no ho kama. Na mo pɛ table kama o mo nya decor
akami kan the trunk Kwame anka da na efa Kwame anka the trunk of the tree no kra no nanka phobia colors ye de afafa ho fefefe ne ade efo no kra ya ayi say artificial ayi grass ya ya de be se fom bi mu de bi ase fom o kama
e bi no take up na je say de we see ahye get na de ya da mu
Kwame ya be ya se ana aspect of seho
ena de
but
you can do that. You can do it.
From a market near the port, not a just for money at the culture of my young fuck up with you.
Monsieur, I say, Omro for who said you promise me, like I said,
you way you for me come and number BA. It's that here be obese na down kwama. Na mama, you best history, and the mama say, yeah, G League said, Africa, and the teacher in the Koran, who are the Abba?
And the say, I didn't, and yes, I won't find a cap. The photography of who said, environment we found ourselves. And we have to do the presentation.
Share table na sisuni. Who say omo flag na kwantimi ankava ni nyina. I say
yeah shake o. We are real team. We are real team. No, the company ba Adom from studio. I dey renovate one.
Oh, na say aha kama.
What is wrong with the diaspora? Respect and the diaspora.
And I say,
what do you expect?
Oh, enti ene emaya 1 year ye deco ne ade ade. Enti one more perhaps flag yi dey actually the trunk of the tree kakra. Nanka ya pe sa artificial grass bi dey abese for kakra the table yes so.
And kwa me chiro say a siren environment. Enti siren environment no. Say ya pe no. Enti kwa me that's why.
Yes, look at the occasion now. Any big occasion. You can even count the number of chairs there. Any big occasion.
Okay.
we don't expect much.
Okay.
Here is a cup number. And the
Debbie Nippon Chiro, camera guy, no baby, you know, almost at you. Almost you know what
I cheer for me, be unshare. The air can you not wide in the mood of one share from one of the Bimuma Behuna. Woman in chair on them. One more share.
They would order share Facebook says here, share.
Because I am money and
and your bonnet. And your bonnet. And your bonnet.
Now, come and wash our DNA candidate. When a video name. Baby, I want internet. How do you baby? Because I would be
one was a rubber black, you know, adding rubber black bargain. Gary, what's that? Say, come with you.
Rubber black. You need to get the woman who doesn't come with you. Problem.
And one person come with you, not to be answered.
I thought a promotion, a white crack, but a promotion.
As soon as I see
I could so the headmaster, the
When it's about a bizarre Polten bag and
yeah, I want to say a video. I need to come to say. Yes, I come to Africa. I become a trio. Yeah, that's only trio and a trio. Aye. Mr. Commissioner,
also in trio.
True. Send me answer.
Kwame, we
was a serene environment. It's women true. Now they won't take granted true. No, won't it? That's
Africa, no other coming.
Ebi so uzumi wona Accra House of Folk natural chain no
na me kwatek kura my own story na say kwatek
not true
kwaku ko bi so say ko brabo how to so ka bo mo dia ma cap abeda ho kwa omko ne unya ayampiato
kwa me we ayampia ye kan wa ka so wa to use politin bag na nye tehu no so aya manisi wa yenyi free wanyande adiye na ye free wanyande manisi o
eti aka wan yi black politics if you dey aka no anu no wa
e bia mo ko na be kire environment no and you forget me environment enfi anko be
eye ya te ase eye
amanke go concrete
kwame eye boni bia ni fie eye kwame emuom ai emuom bibia be fine.
Yeah, fire you.
Sure.
New Jersey.
That's the Jersey Adema.
Momu Jesse, oh, David means sang young kind. So, on for the brand name Fantasuna, on our secretariat now, a jadi echoes to be on a boy. Now, Miss Owo and Bakua have video, a picture Bakua.
Yeah,
Fanatoso. Now, unso bad, dear body, and Obon, you be an Hamanity. Now, Bakubi has any dino, a so be an be a casa or freno. Now, Fatoso, when I'm shiny dino. Say a man for me, am I didn't know any while
before the Batusono.
You bet you.
My uncle Kotoko. Nah, Uncle my floor by Yanika.
I didn't dance a
board no koye meeting.
I saw a meeting.
Na meeting on way, no. Board no a vote of no confidence. Oh, but your mamu.
Eh.
Yanika. 12-member board of directors of Asante Kotoko. Dr. Kwame Che, one and chairman. In fact, one chairman, yes, one and chairman. Mr. Judatha, vice chairman. Kwajobu Atin Jemfi, Kwasi Osei Ufuri, Alhaji Lamin, Kwame Na Mensa, Joseph Yao Ado, Miss Evelyn Insia Asare
Bobo
Bafo Kwame Kusi
Bobo
Mr. Kofi Amoa Aban Dr. Kofi
Citizen Kofi
Citizen Kofi
Debio I know Kofi Amoa yes and now we are Kofi
board now yes emu eduba ko and a vote to say vote of no confidence ninya so na no last week ni mo no na so mo ko hia but openi yes say owo bi owo nabusu
etodwa wa akra e ma kan ho ase
enti na say wono time na mo share na mo antimi andru on time no na so no so kobo akire enti okoye na say ni chese akire nsema akeka hu sa amende akodu meeting say the confidence level no form into them say on percent
but the problem is board no any woman yi kwa me chenti woman tv nka se de o maka no eno na ebe ya adwuma se otumfo ne board din so on ko ya adwuma se afiro mo ka kire
se board they say members na ye do wa chairman
na ye ka se ne papa ne be ya adwuma no ye wa ye ni enti eni ma de be si ensi
okay
enti se kotoko hene so ba nra nti afie na ye twen se de besi mama na amponsa kwa
sa two teams na se bako ejina babi kakra
na bako de
se won enu team ka se
David masa
kotoko ne as e wo se ya na se
bako ye se ya
ba se obako ko se pre obako no so be na
si atom se to
because na se no problem we dey na si wo na ya grow
has na e ya jija kra
e se
ejina kakra na fe
apart from the ya si o mu ko yi bia ye
se atia kwa asante so
na se atia kra
hentifa afedie fa ahaba no to so mame na ye nhwe kwaku we no kwa ka se mo ana o se so ye kwapini
ni mienu na akua ko na
enti ni mienu no ko mo frɛ ne sɛ so wahu sa haba we da
haba me na okay
de odi ato Facebook yi
e wa mi hu
da ho hwɛ ho no
MP me ha epia
1 ana pia na da hai Kobi
Abruaka Tato.
Media name
mo friends say
Abruaka Tato.
Oh okay na Kobi mo friend say odi no mai
mai me hu
and yes Daniel u phone e phone
aba
odo ho kan ya pe na amoamoa sa we
mo friend say
Abruaka Tato no
oh okay
Abruaka Tato
ahwefo no so obi obi de ne de ba
na wo bo ne say
ye ho no nya kata otu mum
mo kan kata o den
ho no
sese
kata den na de usuru no ye tie wan na
ho no na ye ka no
David ande won ya se no mo amoye na but
enya kata otu
abro kata otu but omo no na adwenbonefo na omo ya nom de aba anim no instead of neto no omo de aba David twaso
kasa no hu de
no twaso nkola ofi twaso kola ofi sa na kana
etina mi modi
omo peso omo yan kola boni sem no omo ya nom de omo ya nom de aba abro nanim eso eto na
kwakula abi atwira abro nanim
David adwenbonefo na
obesi kata ho Sam so senior majestic
na ya wona nyum bi kura ya to ye kola brim ni ade
oh yeah na
o kan ya pebo sa moamoa ni na moamoa se
ade no dodo no ai kan bere wakata wanimu
oh jai ena make us en kola body sem ena omo de ye nanim no instead of nechi no wakata to en si twaso ade na opeso yi twaso omo aseda pa
last one na kwaku mawie un se ne no ebinum amantimi sa ko gina mu so ho ntime ko sisi a
okay
na asembia si South Africa ababa we wanya 20 years na ja hodie un se ti South Africa ya no awontem ya ne kan simple so 20 days anya teenage pregnancy just wa wontem
20 days onye
teenager wawo na wawo ye no first akwara wawo no obi owo 20 years na akwara ni nti so abro wawo for 80 years
akwara ya wo no fofo no how come fatu on here
jeko fatu na abaya no se wono kra ne ba ne akwada no hu akwada na no osu isan se won ti ase kra abro na dane so no so yes
but it's strange
serious
Wow.
You go have me there no end catch the pa.
You see? Ashaphobia man and so there na same way there. Na say na doctors be din komo hu.
Wa akola ye fro oya akola do oya akola o ma azako.
Asem way mum there chese. Nti amani
na we osisi we
South Africa.
Na lady
yes.
Sana tia dia anka bible mu Abraham ne say anka omo ye nse nka ne obotantim no be wona basa enso ombo mo ye so
the family ne se free hino was say ye ne Dr. Sishaka
pacho ye de akola nanimu ankasa ba mo da mo akola nanimu ankasa yi
obi de kwache Jacob Zuma no ndi akora wo ko hu Jacob Zuma he fa no na koda
na Jacob Zuma sa na nimtie aya mu mi sa de
was in the beginning
in the beginning
open it is a winter I'm a bass mogay in the beginning what a couple of hours in there.
Yes, you
know. Will be in the beginning.
In the beginning, Baba, that's it. 20 minutes, 20 minutes.
No, that's I deal with a pao. Sa photo in a gay at the Ehupa. We will come no. Now, video of the day, no. Video of the day, no. Overcome videos of our time now. Yeah, no. I tell you, Akurano hwe se den akorana ni muamua no se de ye kasa abro twitwam even ni tiri hwe se de waye
ayesu ha se de nsu abono no
utim se old lady bi kra utim de 60 se
obetimi de relate to ade we
du phone na yes ana
de mi nyame
mi ene nyo
okay that was
obetimi de relate because ade we bekom kra no gay no confession be so woye
ena wanye as I say no wo wura sunsun wiase mo
me kire o se kum chacha wa hanka de nko be kire o se
but ebetimi nso aba se eye
be yare
medical ayo so what I say yare what I say e bia some deficiency bi ena ama akoba ne say yo ndi ya ni na akọ
on family be wom
enya jinx o
Isi jeans no. One more jeans.
And the jeans.
About more jeans no. Because said you was here. Nyakwa. And share
say intimi bo achiri na.
But me share no. Amame ayibi. You say genetic mutation.
Oh okay. You say you hwe. One friend no progeria.
Progeria.
Edino no.
Yeah.
When chese
no na.
Ade na akola na de no. When chese a progressive genetic disorder that causes children to age rapidly. So what I say, into banana say or sa problem we be na. Wow.
Serious.
Oh, but also inherited. Also it occurs randomly and isn't inherited. It in bia o ma mi nya bia e chese won so kowa betimi nya it happens.
Bia society area more and I believe say bia when say environment in so timi decide about you want maybe ho baby ho akotena timi se san you maybe o system no
the symptoms no or say slow growth and hair loss enim na betwintwa mo ana ayesi
serious.
Wow.
Some we did.
Wow. Anyways. Your fancy na the idea.
If you want friend no and yet say honey you no they are body.
David ade na aye no. E ho asem.
Na ye Nigeria no.
Enya pro PRO. Enya
Nigeria. Come can Nigeria ho baby. Okay.
Okay.
Babu me ko enti me ko idea kwajo driver. No don't for respect.
Okay.
Or a taxi driver na I get on Feni Agro. Enti kwajo minim se bia.
Okay, so happy birthday. Encore Emma Grace Morgan or 37 NMTC Hospital. Nyame onka ho na ontum kwanem. Now birthday no. Dinner debia so every year we are celebrating. God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Abusua ya trust on the aseda my proud sponsors omo boy my day Irrigated Sports Ebrel na Jumedina Kano so no. Ye de aguguso akoye anim. Sa ne be no. Osi be ne sa da. Okay, so Kel Charcoal toothpaste. Aposi ankasa pa. Ya wunya bia ebu aye ya to ebo ase edibidi chako ya na de aron kama na udi twuse a club bia kama pa wunya good fresh breath whiter teeth emau gums no ahoɔden bam very strong and healthy na fe so no prevent cavity stains wo senso ne ade nso a ehwɛ clear ni nyina kama ede maw Efi Samara Company Limited wakofa ede aba Kel Charcoal toothpaste or say happy smile. Ubenya biato shops next stores next supermarkets I would only in NLE Dewa 539 direct and also Abba at the amount for the ND a drew so sounds will be due dear with your 5 magic numbers from just 1 to 39 with as little as 2 cities unsubeti me asesa wabrabum wabra wucha NLE Dewa 539 direct or bet on 1 direct I will need 20 times your stake. 2 direct and so you 45 times your stake. 3 direct we need 400 times your bet amount. Not just say the more you play, the more you win. Until Lotto kiosks be a ben be an boom na NLE Dewa 539 direct also odon wa jimbi na bibia etimi akoye e de amo say winning no you choke. Afe Royal drinks you go like Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange as well as Royal Cocktail. Perfect flavors now we here na busuya eno ani timansan count there 250 pesos. Shen so say we another quality product Fikasa Precon Company Limited, an ISO certified company. And I account for the amount. Do no one phrase 0262 351 251 a phrase 0272 133 373. A ban of football there and Go TV say in front to him say obetimi connecting why enjoy a captivating moment on La Liga. Serie A na fe Premier League any other leagues na akani na onso etimi ehun dia connect dia ba betimi connected from as low as 48 Ghana cedis na onso wahwe wani so ade papa soka papa Go TV love it afe in boost herbal mixture police ni na dru no e na ye kan fo dia mo abusua emfa ni agro esa se emuye ya ni nyina no eboa wiye na also wetimi a build a strong immune system na the omu nyina ne se no eye in boost herbal mixture police ni na dru no e ko nipadua na kwa baabi o how bia wo no eno akọ ekoyi o how ni na afiri ho e ma kama said de be ya obetimi agina brane na yare bia emetete wo e wo obra wo boyi emu entimfani agro na pbi a kira kwan King's Walk Herbal, Equus Pharmacy with Dama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, all alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's, Afe Ubo Room, our Little George Health Shop, yeah, and also our Tema Community 5 Ubenyebi on yes, our free 0243 115 948 and Afe 0246 208 496. Abusia Cat Farm Ghana Music Awards UK. Basso den. It's from Accra to London, Europe, baby, all parts of the world. It's show time. Yeah, they brought para. We, I dare to say more day ye. Kafam Ghana. And I'm just say Kafam Ghana Music Awards UK. And yeah, they abroad and then our Royal Regency 501 High Street, North Manor Park, or London. E12 Hona Jumedi Basso den Tibe PM our Royal Regency on Saturday the 9th of October 2021 6 p.m. sharp na Jumedi no Asha say never experience an awards night with a touch of class and excellence. Papa Kafam Ghana Music Awards UK performing on the night AMG Medical Akwabwa afe fameye keche Mr. Drew sefa sana ohima message na mu be dope nation afe Riella Miss Bell prior Kumerica Fusu Jinam Kofi Jama Kweku Darlington YP Jackie Munina Jijimwa what I say Day Vibes ne on Fia Germany on so ejinam den atumpan afe Reggie Mboli Floking Stone Esther Smith Fresh Andy Ohene Osei Kofi and afe just I know to phone pina supported by Davidson Band almost ejinam den we the 5th anniversary edition and I day bro to this trip there Joe London Bay the sponsors no Kafam Ghana Limited Nanakobo Ventures a fair world remit money transfer sanso and some pawn ties and so attached and JL Properties Trustline Properties Limited and so can be Nako Properties La Palm Royal Beach Hotel and also powered by Alodia and then West Coast Promotions in the UK in partnership with Pan-African Society attached. So get ready for action and thrilling performances. Our Bra big gate 6 p.m. sharp. Na Jumediano so etimi ateki off kama pa. Oba now looking like a star. Now I feel like a star on the red carpet. You know what I'm saying? Kafam Ghana Music Awards UK, recognizing the achievement of our musicians inspired by music. Let's go. Abuja obet me out to tickets no online and we at www.shops.com. We're creating the shops because SHOOPS.com. Not just say shops.com. Now what to ticket to boko oko baby uni obi ani asem. Yanyen krato kakra. Nafi yanko ye nim, but before that some few daddies bina yente enonso free ona afi yento aso enko yen enim. I say happy birthday and come out Claudia Amwako, Form 2 student of Manfi Methodist Girls School from Emmanuel Parisian of Daily Democrat newspaper. Eno nkomo eno or science okay good now afi no if you want more we so say happy birthday going out to Mrs. Millicent Ano Boachi Adom pediatric nurse away Kolebu from your kids and lovely husband. The message here says may God bless you and bless your new age. Jeff Yafe and a Dubai. And what you know, this one also no. Okay. That's it. We so I say a happy birthday going out to my sweet baby girl, your lovely brother, your lovely brothers, and your sweet mom, and internal family. We all wish you a happy, blessed day. Hey. Didier Svitz Tari Papa Mills Berry Dewey be born the same Svetlana Anna Sese Svetlana Anna Svit is it a woo anyway so said America Svetlana Adom Ativo Svetlana Adom Ativo. Okay. Omunina say Omo wish you a happy birthday. Okay, so at Chimota Senior High School, we wish you a successful examination. We know you will never let us down. Message in attention with Joyce Ansan aka Mamiama Community 5 and what they buy. Edino first time I meet Tibini, Minshian or Babia or Broniso Edda. Okay, we so I'll say happy birthday going out to Mrs. Selena Norte. May you live long to see your unborn generations. Alice Ni Tete Norte Ningo Pram Pram or the Efi Ebae and no asem no. And we so say Papa Bills catch Jerry say Friday and then my birthday Okoi Wati but your son friend James Okoi Adoko security anyway, and a happy birthday in advance to you. Why? Yate on krano. Abusia yentwa so na yenko enim na yenhwe de aka no yefani na entwa so.
Share. What you would say? Ube to invite players be to say Ronaldo, Messi, and Mbappe about them. What you would say? Ube to me nyatinka e want you big games no e want them. Onia, what you say? Ube enjoy home ground advantage. El Serie A, La Liga, Premier League, UEFA Europa, any leagues se kuku them you know bro fum e want them. Ana, Jano for 89 Ghana cedis called you GoTV decoder. Any year na upgrade called GoTV Max. Ma fear and yes football hifian kasa. Se open so to new decoder. Test GoTV call short code 1731. GoTV, love it.
Trauma from day one. If what you're looking for is quality, delicious rice to satisfy the family, Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Food Lovers Rice can give you all you need. Oh yeah, make all your dishes special.
Food Lovers Rice is long grain, has the perfect perfume, and is great for jollof and all your favorite rice dishes. Food Lovers Special Fragrant Rice. Sisemu Nafi. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Samisoriano pa, Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. And mommy confidence, the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite guso na mesrea. Eya wanwa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi me se. Obo ade ni pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban, e free mowa, e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye, ene enumunka. Sure say, amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yete center for.
Me dia magic Kale Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me shuna no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibi na ma. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
En kaneno ania ma me num di bidie twitwiri yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. MSC fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nkabia. Ma wonum ye hwam. Enunti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa yenchi.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA aji ejodi nka to ya tomo.
Gino Magic Pepper only tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Ya yening in dada. Super Nedrian no abbing. And everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Masks, sanitizer, social distancing. By now, we know what we gotta do. That doesn't mean we want to. We're all tired, but we're too far in to tap out. So let's keep it up just a little longer so that soon we don't have to. So we can fill stadiums again and smile at strangers and hug the ones we love. We're all worth pushing for. So keep it up for all of us. Just one more push, Africa. Just one more push for Ghana, everywhere you go. For more inspiration, check out onemorepushafrica.com. A message from MTN and Yellow Hope.
Yabo, yaba. Yeah, we run so Dawson into we hear engine oil papa ebe wow. Anyway, yeah, that Phoenix oil say diachro. And fear be brain near Phoenix oil engine and nice swabwa. I'm a heavy duty machine say yeah mining. Power any marine jume to me boy juma yes and yes say yeah 5, 4, 1 need 20 liters ma commercial any private cars. Yeah, said that the additive papa in your mape di moon na fry. Phoenix oil so engine mu boho by na say cool no kama. Yeah, when
petrol ni diesel ni bu also da form. Fre 0544 338240. Phoenix Oils, Bosu Oil.
Ago class. Mental. Edienu mienu eni miensa.
Edienu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edienu nai.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efie di nunum aye ne mo atena ewo enije mu ni. Osa British ya yi di mu no. Yeti Hyundai Sonata mono chia bako edienunum. Eni sika chedi bebre ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no mane frɛ wadofo no. Na kasa fa text fa browsing. Fa sika ne fa send sika ewo momo no so emprepi. Enum na wo benya points a wo betimi di Hyundai Sonata edienunum a eye mono chia no bako. Eni sika chedi pi. Bosu me bia ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Star 156 eni ya. Na se wa kwentu a wodi bedi achege kesi bi ase ewo MTN OfieKwanso everywhere you go.
Gino Magic Pepper on a tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abe, and everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
Oh ma, pachomenya milk kakra mi milo ni mwana.
Na waka ahwe.
Gabi na sme hu so di biegumu.
Hey, ka wanno hwansa na we bisame.
Hey, milk na chemu say.
We Milo all in one no. Milo pampa, cocoa, malt, milk cho bibia wo mu.
Milo all in one a milk bebre wo mu dada. Ne hia ne se wodi nsu befra no ati nwani no mu de a cocoa papa ne malt and a milk bebre a de ahye sachet ba ko mu. Milo, the energy to go further. FDA dreading kratoi atumu.
Aya na meti sankofo bi keka se sikantimi ntodo sikantimi nto anigye yo Matiase na mo me pese me bi so edi ampa no hia betima to
ma wani na ho shine your eye
oya Ghana ni na wutie mi na woni so obusuani ana so odopo betima ma no sika pa zipe mobile money wallet so apa network bia so wa Ghana ha me patcho na wankasa ompem putuo e wa brabo
Boss star 270 #CC na register with ZPay mobile money wallet. You want money sika na mfofoni ebusian for the money ufia brochre. Send the sika for local network via so. Every ZPay mobile money wallet so. After top the app airtime, our bills, need the kika hu be free. Ubetumi you are man sika free EcoBank, UBA, Absa, Access Bank, First Atlantic Bank, Progress Savings and Loans, CBG, Omni Bank, Ghana Commercial Bank, Prudential Bank, ARB Apex Bank, New mobile money agents, Bebru 150,000 Womaimwa Fanabe. Yeah.
ZPay, shine your eye. Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new ones a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold. A brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Aquaba Magic. Channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Aquaba Magic. Welcome home. Only on DSTV.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go! Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that? Oh no, my guy. With soccer bets, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With soccer bets, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your money now. Soccer bet, your best bet for sports betting.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly. Gaming can be addictive, not for persons below 18 years.
Abra Yeguswa din kabom ekwetia COVID-19 yi. EcoBank ma wa kwanya hodwa. Wo de betina fie. Abon ho ban na watumi du sikasem ahyewa wonsem. Fa EcoBank mobile didra bebia ne abrebia. Se wo EcoBank account ana woni bie. For text message ana email so fama ne sika. To credit, to our bills. Abra wuti fie edwodwo ho. Se ye sika buduo na oni didra. For your internet banking no so. EcoBank QR code ma wo kwan ma wo fa abefo siketua kwan so. Etua ne ma no dwumadi Waka, one first potin entia. Chi EcoBank mobile and ya wo Google Play Store, App Store, and I am Facebook page, and I bo star 770 hash. I will phone bia so. Na chance didra. EcoBank General ho kai sa obema kwan adawnia for frontem. Eyata ho nsa. Enafi emfa nsa nkeka wanim.
So here mwebia for EcoBank contact center. It was 0800-003225. I won't yashe. And now from it was 0302-213-999. Abrebia Debia.
Snefina Bo Hubai, EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank.
Many heartaches.
Did you really think that you could keep your new wife a secret for the rest of our lives?
Many headaches. 3 friends. To have and to hold, a brand new Ghanaian series exclusive to Akwaba Magic, channel 150 on DSTV every Monday and Tuesday. Get a fully installed DSTV for only 169 Ghana cedis with a month's access subscription and upgrade to the Compact Plus bouquet with 70 Ghana cedis. Akwaba Magic, welcome home, only on DSTV.
Wondering what to do with your Cerelac 400-gram tin? The new Cerelac Wheat 350-gram pouch value pack is the ideal choice to refill your tin. It is affordable, convenient, and still provides key nutrients, iron, vitamin A, B, and D, zinc, and iodine to support normal cognitive function and help promote optimum growth and development. Grab your value pack at a retail shop near you. Cerelac 350-gram, more for less. This advert is FDA approved.
Samisoriano pa, Kale Chaco toothpaste na me de missing. And mommy confidence, the morning in
Se wushia ama na misifit gusuna mesrea. Eya wawa me de Kale Chaco toothpaste. Ene twitwi missing. Obo de ne pa e wo bidie mu no. Ene e dia ye Kale Chaco toothpaste. E boy sin ho ban e free mowa e boy sin mu tokro. E se ahye ene enumunka. Sure say amani Kale Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Media magical Chaco toothpaste at tubu. Me issue na no pa na dwa me kodano. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwaso entibinama. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ane ma me num di bidie twitwi yense no. Asaya bebie mu o. Bidie wo Kale Chaco toothpaste mu no. E ma sinye fita. E ma na hoden ne sayi nka bia. Ma wanum ye hwam. Enu nti mo amonom coffee, wine, any tobacco e kamo seso no. Abama mo Kale Chaco toothpaste. Sankofa ENG.
Kale, happy smile.
FDA, Adom Krato Yatomo.
Hey, me network imbafia me. E was me dim mobile money. Tia me wo fa workers car.
Nanso
charges nko 380 cedis.
Wo send this kan ko ho charges no. Wait there cement 10 bucks so.
Me ni atie. Se wo be move akọ Vodafone cash and ka wo be service ka bebre. Vodafone cash. Me say me network ne die.
Tie. Wo send this ka was saw network no so no. Yeto, wo send this ka free wo network no so akọ network foforo no. Eno so yeto. Na emum tie asem de pa. Wo send this ka wo Vodafone cash swap. Are free? What's send this free? Vodafone cash. I got network. Be swap. And also you're free. Masa into work at them. What that's so you then was sour network and no so move for bra. Vodafone cash says yeah.
Hey, masa you shape not to ball musisi.
I know. Say dear. What's send this Vodafone cash so I got network. Be swap. And you're free. Send this do be and prend do be got network. Be so free. Dial star 110 hash says yeah in a send this.
Gino Magic Pepper on it tomato mix. Gino Magic Pepper.
New Gino Magic Pepper and Onion is a delicious blend of tomato, pepper and onion. That means no grinding, no blending. Super Nedrian no abbing, and everyone loves it too.
And Kwaniya Dankasa.
This jollof eat the go on.
Mommy, I want more food. Me too.
Make delicious meals in no time with the new Gino Magic Pepper and Onion. The magic that brings them home. This advert is FDA approved.
OfieKwanso.
OfieKwanso with me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
This is Adom FM, and this is Jerry Justice.
Mommy, oh, swimming cuts, nothing chain. Girls, yeah, why you feel? Boys, I don't know, be a more be a energy, and I be a chill, yeah, Miss Ramo, be a bahame, and I do wait, I'm coming, Koda. Me drumming out, session, now I'm back on me, oh. Party today, and then you pray we go party all night long. All night long. Meaning me girls, be a chill, all night long. Party all night long. All night long. Meaning me girls, be a chill,
yeah, don't you? All right, so yeah, the fly the trash mouse is here. Meantime, a happy birthday going out to my niece Claudia and Kuma from Emmanuel Parisian, managing editor of the Daily Democrat. Going out to you, Claudia and Kuma. Enjoy your birthday. Small singer, they sing. Look at the way he reacts. Oma, and you're not meant to cry. Oma, you're not meant to cry. Maminya, I said it. Oh,
yeah, more crab by washing.
Charlie, my boat, I cry. Say, BBI, cool.
BBI, call me. Nice one. Nice one. Okay, into no Mamichi for now, young call in some nodo.
Straight up.
Anytime into no, Roger, we have let the back head there, my show video be now, or the brother Same, share glasses on that 13 in your home. Yeah. Share the bars upon bars now. Yeah. Someone can say at it, see a lot there. So you need to be an only Joe Sabazona. And then no, there's an update. Because my son may who better Samibium. But this time around, only a soccer boys. Kumasi soccer boys in drill. Now, Cicelo, no, you're petty beside there, but there's a meno, a look on a drill, gospel drill. Another Cicelo, no, jail, gospel, no. Who's our corner? It's no, my Yamate Funte, Bass upon Bass, like a crack. Because by the time to be out to Mama and African already are. But still a question no about the mind the kakra Nije been original you kakra another young another Brajery because but the Sambia but on Lancasada don't know yo no kakra but why this time around no the break freebie into but the Same gospel drill, another rap drill. today be hip hop another hip lifer but as me my na so nti ya panic chow pa ya pede yehu na ye nja de ye kan no ka gospel act no say video na ready a wo fa yin ntum na yin tape brother Sammy
ba mama ne kan ne ho asem wa bo platina ye kan ho asem wa bo platina ye kan ho asem wo ye champion tina ye kan ho asem
Facebook na me share video chale enye izo che ne bling so da ne komuni ade na asemuni
but Sammy say epere ya twa sinsan wa so na kan ka kire wa boboy na menzie because molu kwe enyim so your moments if you're just having a moment another see this is the new branded brother Samia you pede yehu
na or rebranded ba no
now away from that no Jerry and then not me read the story be na Jeko for one pictures not so the mom Nigerian actor actress RMD I don't side chicks in funny one main man. Papa no movie search papa for finance was in 50 years and some kakraba it was social media on party no or your bibia now or son on ye solar sobolo wale sobo wale na mama no where your movies no over close to 40 years na za o woman ye there ye hu won wasinum ye bo hu won bia no so no na were partners or as either there were chumpana another way Mr. and Mrs. na some me working me peden the menu kan ho asam nye there what's there close to them 40 years here was started the worship no onyaza wo kisi wo movie mu da na ocha there wo chumpana na there were married couple move sininu mu ntino was there wo fie wona no it never happened not for once. Close to 40 years we play Mr. and Mrs. on the screens. One kiss that. Now, I'm read the story now. What you imagine Kojina David Donton na mami dokono because one also know you one on the screens close to 40 years ni Mr. and Mrs. is the why a bit watch him was but one also was just a stand to be a guy on our extra and they said the same thing there when kisses that never.
Now you know other side.
No, but brother, remain you on common. Emphasis in the fact that they didn't have to kiss.
Yeah.
Who there no what chumpano from the man there. Were a married couple.
Yeah.
But in the no abazina brother.
Until you do that. Who say yeah
and kiss na channel on and that's no channel say nyimpa no run you who there or run no pants another or run ho
yeah
so no crampon ko fun hwe into no me peda me bisa there sisiara no he for pan na ye head towards because nkofi wa ye mo ye ya why the ye yon ye
yeah
so what you trust in when kiss me ye hunda na or ye married couple role no player abazin in the no wasesa Abinson don't know why to pajinjin. Brother, serious issue. Yeah. Serious. Big ups to them, pa. Big ups to them, pa. Now more sorry though, but shabri any video.
Okay.
Now abrono I the not another work. Now boogie down be the 200 kakano. Now oh you need just some papa into no mama phone no more phone sorry the most sorry no mizini mama boatuma the front door. President for the Brothers and Sisters Association. Abrono if you read that one shaka crack now. One fashion one all
right. Timon Shabro one video in Kakana. I'm on kill stress why. I brand to say the nya jipa say nana ne why ne share old lady No be easy. You fast that can say my proud sponsors on boy. Am I the flat, bro? Vodafone saying can't you say now you can have an even greater morning with a Vodafone Good Morning offer. Now the Good Morning bundle gives you unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers, 5 minutes talk time to other networks, and 500 MB of data. And the bundle works with any other bundle you have or will subscribe to. So just call the short code 543 or dial star 543 hash to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only 1 Ghana city. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone. Together we can. Hey, Anka, apomeniso kakra. Me from say sia sharp na fe na yen twaso ya yen so edwumadi no so. Happy birthday Encore Emma Prophetess. Nenyom kra we na me fan to me fan show no. Happy birthday to Prophetess Bridget Owusu of the Masterpiece Ministries International Church on the Spinters Road. Yeah. Happy birthday to you, Prophetess Bridget. On one nyumni osu nyame chen. Onyumi ya na de we show happy birthday. Nyame onsha. Onyo kese on tonkwanem. Ewo Yesu dim. Enjoy your birthday. Anunti Prophetess Bridget Owusu Nenyom Onyamenchen Ene yede etu apo Mama Bridget na fe asore so na yede anwume no sia ka se bo ato aso Adom 106.3 FM nyame ya Adom na de ochina chen ochina so ye no be sen hia biem na yede eye OfieKwanso dwumedi Abrel. Until then, it's checkout time, baby. Yes, time to make way for the news at 6 on 106.3 Adom FM. It's been nice coming your way with the Wednesday's edition of your own show, OfieKwanso. Many thanks to you for your time with us. Now, if you've been coming here, team, Papa Bills African, Jamestown, Jacob, Afe, Kobe Stone, or Kumakra, Ubria Boa Fenton Friend. Now, so Mami Boat. Your friend Jerry Justice, as usual, and then Obi commenting on me post me on Instagram say, and Chana me pon me kind of message on na say Yaria Benti we share me at Chana no. Your casa Obi and Chesa for Sakoto and say you want to watch Obi. You can say hello, you can say hi. It's me oh match you. Oh minia oh at the same. That's what I mean by Ushia me at Chana. Next week me can say Coachana for something to say. It's a still Ushia me at Chana. Next week it's I say we are Simu Nipa and Seshe. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great evening. We out of here.